leave it stand. What's banging and swinging, LAU gang gang? This your girl Lynn back with another video. And today we are about to do another Nova MUKBANG. As you guys know, it wouldn't be a Nova's MUKBANG if we did not have the chopsticks. So Nova will be eating his food with chopsticks today. I also wanted to let you guys know, before we get started, I wanted to share with you guys that I have been getting a lot of questions, and I've been seeing a lot of comments about people saying they did not know that dogs could actually have human food. Well, yes, they can. You have to make sure that you are giving them the correct foods, the foods that they can have, and not the foods that are toxic to them. And you have to make sure you are not putting any seasoning on the food. The seasoning is not good for them at all. No sauces, no seasoning. But what I want to let you guys know, what I did for y'all, is I have put together an e-guide. I did an e-guide for you guys. So the e-guide is called Safe Human Food for Dogs. So I actually got the e-guide put together, and the link will be in the description of this video, so you guys can actually check it out if that's something that you would be interested in. And another great thing about this e-guide, at the end, the last 2 pages of the e-guide, you can actually print out, and it's actually a list of the items, and you can actually put that list of items in your kitchen. So if anybody ever has any questions about what they can feed your fur baby, the list is actually there available in the kitchen. So that's a great thing that I have put together for you guys. So hopefully y'all check that out. Support us by purchasing one. But it's there for you guys if y'all need it in the future. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump into this video. Actually, Nova. No, Nova, sit. You guys that are new here, I'm Lynn. This is Nova. And we are the best of friends. You already know these show. He knows these are his chopsticks when he gets his food. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and get ready to get into this video. So, before I let Nova eat, we always say grace. So, let's get him to let's say grace, Nova. Nova, sit. He is so ready to eat. Okay, we gotta say grace. You ready to say grace? Okay. Sit. God is great. God is good. Let us thank him for our food. Amen. Amen. Can you say amen? He's so ready to eat. He is ready. So let's see what Nova is having today. So today, Nova is having steak, shrimp, green beans, strawberries, and cucumbers. So this is a good, healthy meal for Nova, totally unseasoned, cooked, unseasoning, so he can have all of these items here on this dish without having to worry about any problems. So let's let Nova eat. Nova, you ready? You ready? Nova, quiet. No. So we're going to start off with some shrimp. Steak. Cucumbers. This is something new. You don't like the cucumbers? You don't like the cucumbers? No? Okay. So cucumbers not gonna fly here. Y'all saw he tried to sneak one. Shrimp. All right, something new. Green beans. Strawberries. Dude said the hell with them cucumbers. No to the cucumbers. He said, I don't want no good cucumbers. So I wanted to try him with cucumbers and see if that would be something that he would eat. Now, I'm going to try him again with cucumbers. Nova is very finicky about how he eats his stuff. If it's small, he'll eat it. With these being big chunks, look. He's throwing it down. With these being big chunks, he might not want it because they're big. He might eat them if they're cut in the small slices. So I'm going to try them again next time with the cucumbers. But I'm going to cut them smaller. Strawberries. Green beans. See, these green beans are small and he eating them. Nova said, I don't want no dang cucumber. See, he eating the green beans. And this is new. This is my first time giving him green beans. Strawberry. Steak. Steak. Shrimp. Cucumber. Okay. Steak. Green beans. I'm actually surprised he's eating these green beans. He ain't eating them though. Steak. Strawberry. All right, buddy, this is the last strawberry. Green bean and steak. Green beans. Last shrimp. Last piece of steak. Green beans. All right, that's the last of it. Now let's see if we go lick the plate. There's one more cucumber on here. Let's see what he do. He dancing all around that cucumber. Don't all gone? All right, so we have officially, well, I don't know. We haven't totally officially figured out whether or not he likes these or not. I'm gonna cut them up next time. I'm gonna cut the cucumbers up next time, and we're gonna see how he do with cut up cucumbers. All right, buddy. We gotta get you some water in you. Want some water? Here you go. Finish. All right, you guys. Nova has completed his meal for today. Now we gotta get him to say goodbye to you guys. All right, Nova. You gonna say goodbye to our friends? You gonna say goodbye? Nova, come. All right, we don't need you to say goodbye to our friends. You gonna say goodbye? All right, goodbye. Can you wave? Wave. 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 Wave goodbye. Cookie. All right, you guys. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Share this video with people who you think might enjoy our content. And we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We appreciate all y'all love and support. And keep helping us push these videos so we can actually show the world how adorable, loyal, trusting, and sweet these dogs are. It is not the breed. It's not the breed. It's all in how they raised. So we love you guys. Y'all, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.